In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Microsoft Teams with external users. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to sign in. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft Teams website or by opening the Microsoft Teams desktop application on your computer. Once you have it open, enter your account credentials and log in. This will give you access to all your Teams functionalities. After signing in, the next step is to go to the chat section. Look for the chat icon, which is typically found in the left-hand navigation bar. Clicking on this icon will take you directly to your conversations, where you can view all your ongoing chats and messages. Now we're ready to start a new conversation. At the top of the chat section, you'll see a search bar. Here, you can type in the full email address of the external person you wish to contact. It's important to enter their complete email. This is how Teams will identify them in the system. As you type, you'll notice that potential matches begin to appear below in the search results. When you see the email address of the person you want to chat with, click on it. This entry may be labeled as Search Email Address Externally, which indicates that this person is outside your organization and it's fine to communicate with them. Once you click to select the external user, a new chat window will open up. This is where the magic happens. Now you can send messages back and forth, share files, and collaborate in real time. It's really seamless and secure, allowing you to have those important conversations with individuals from outside your organization without any fuss. Remember, when you're chatting with external users, it's crucial to maintain a professional tone as you are representing your organization. This means being clear and concise in your messages and respecting any collaborative guidelines your company may have regarding external communications. Another helpful tip is to utilize the features available in the chat window. You can attach documents directly from your computer, which is particularly useful for sharing important information swiftly. If you want to hold a more interactive session, consider calling the external user or scheduling a video conference, which can all be done within Microsoft Teams. So there you have it. You now know how to effectively chat with external users on Microsoft Teams. This capability not only enhances communication, but also fosters collaboration with others beyond the confines of your organization. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos that can help you navigate Microsoft Teams and other useful tools. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.